Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT comes equipped in a lightning blue. You've got a remote entry keypad here on the door, blind spot on the mirrors, power window controls. You got a leather armrest on the inside here, cloth manual seating with a middle seat, bench seat here. Got your infotainment screen here. It does have the 5-liter V8 in it. Infotainment screen consists of trip and fuel, towing, off-road, and vehicle settings with pre-collision. You've got cruise control on the left of the steering wheel and then your hands-free on the right. Sync 3 sound system with traction control, 4-way flashers, and auto start-stop. You've also got built-in Wi-Fi settings for your truck itself. You've got Bluetooth for your phone, satellite radio, and many other features. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and then a trailer backup assist. Your climate controls are right beside that, and then you've got 2 USB ports below that. You've also got a 12-volt outlet just over here. Your center console with the seat. When you don't need the center console, you have the seat up. If you don't need it, just like that. Taking a look at the back, got a 4x4 badge, got your chrome rear bumper here. You got a spare tire hidden under there, as well as trailer hitches ready. Rear view camera, right below the tailgate latch. No bed liner in here, but you have the option to put a drop-in or a spray-in bed liner. This nice box here. If we look in the back seat, cloth seating in the rear seats do fold up for more storage. You've got pockets behind the front seats for storage as well. A 12-volt outlet just hidden right here, and then you've got 2 cup holders for your rear passengers. Lots of space back here. And taking a look at the front, you've got a chrome front bumper, chrome grille, halogen headlights, LED turn signals. You've got some tow hooks up front here as well. All around a really nice truck. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.